Hey everyone, my name's Nick, I'm the Odd Artisan, and welcome to my shop. I'm standing here in my newly leased workshop space. It isn't much more than just a shed in the back of an apartment building in the city of Chicago, but that's my space, and so I'm really excited for it. I've been wanting a space where I can set up shop, I can get all my equipment up and running that I need to in a space that is mine, that I can make messy, that I can update and clean and organize the way that I want to. And so this is a big move forward for me, and I'm really excited about it. So I want to give you a little tour of what my shop is right now. I haven't moved anything in. This is the state that it has been handed off to me from the last tenant. So here we go. Let's check it out. All right, so we'll start from the entrance. This is the door. It's been boarded up, more of a safety thing than anything else. You don't want people breaking through the glass window, but you pan around and we've got this section, we'll call it the right half as you enter. Used to be set up for a painting booth, so there's a lot of the plastic on the walls, including a exhaust fan, which is great. That might come in handy for some things. Workbench over here, as well as this one, was left behind by the last tenant, so that's useful. If for nothing else, I can salvage some wood from it for making my own projects, but they are directly screwed into the walls, so they're nice and sturdy, they're not going anywhere. And I might just keep them around until I can get something better, but they'll suit my needs just fine. We keep moving around and we start to have some wall storage space, some built-in stuff. And there's this really long bench here, which is just part of the space. Not something that I think I can take out, but you know, there's some wall shelves, if that's what you want to call them. You got this nice wide bench, some really cool old style drawers, even some spots on the sides here if I wanted to make my own drawers to fill in those spaces. Just kind of a free slate to use and work with there. Then you keep moving along. We got our power strips here. There are also power outlets in each of the light sockets, so I'll be able to tap into power there, as well as there's some other ones along the walls. Nothing major there. Comes with a mini fridge. We've got a gas heater here for the space. This is not, as you can tell, it's not well insulated, but we'll see how well the heater does when it does stay cold. Some extra lumber that the last tenant left behind. They kind of did this weird pseudo insulation job where they put up these panels and they didn't actually install any insulation, so who knows what they were really thinking with that, and they didn't even do the whole thing, so don't know what that's about. But yeah, I got all this space, got solid floors to work on, and this is my workshop. I'm excited for it. I'm excited to see what it becomes, what I'm able to accomplish within it. This should be good.